question number 4. Change the color of this. Amylose and amylopectin are the principal storage polysaccharides of 1. mollusks, 2. plants, 3. bacteria, 4. animals, or 5. insects. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that the answer for this question is that they are examples of the principal storage of polysaccharides in plants. It's gonna give a brief definition of amylose. So this is an example of soluble starch in plants. And then for amylopectin, this is the insoluble starch. So let's see what our junior tutor said about this question. Amylose, soluble starch. Yeah, they said it was plants. Soluble in hot water and used for starching clothing. A long molecule composed of 200 to 1,000 glucose subunits forming an unbranched helix. Interesting. Amylopectin is insoluble starch, shorter molecules than amylose with only 40 to 60 glucose subunits, forming highly branched chains that do not coil. Starch is deposited in concentric layers within the starch grains or amyloplasts. Starch grains of different plant species have characteristic shapes such as maize, corn, oats, bananas, potatoes, and wheat. For example, banana starch grains are more elongated than potato starch grains. The starch is hydrolyzed, broken down by amylase enzymes, and then during hydrolysis, a water molecule is inserted between each glucose subunit. So starch is then stored in underground organs, including storage roots, rhizomes, tubers, corms, and bulbs. So the starch granules contain 2 types of structures, the amylose and amylopectin, and then the amylose is shorter but far greater in number than amylopectin. Amylomase has around 50% amylose residues compared to waxy maize, which has mainly amylopectin and less than 3% amylose content. Also, the percentage of branching varies with plants. So that was a very nice and detailed explanation of the 2 different starches found in plants. So I'm just going to say that this solution is correct. Okay, so looks like my camera died, but maybe I can try to fix this. Before moving on to the next question.